Look closely in the mirror for a second. Not at your makeup, not at your hairstyle, but at the tiny lines around your eyes, the slight sag in your jaw, or the tired look on your skin even after a full night's sleep. Now here's a serious question. What if one simple habit, something done every single night without thinking, is slowly aging your face? Faster than the sun, stress, or even junk food. And the worst part, almost everyone is doing it. Most people think aging is caused by wrinkles, genetics, or not using expensive skincare. But the real enemy isn't a cream you don't own. It's how you sleep. Yes, the way your face hits the pillow night after night, year after year, is silently breaking down your skin. This one habit is responsible for deep smile lines, uneven cheeks, droopy eyelids, neck creases, and even enlarged pores on one side of the face. Here is the habit: sleeping on your side or face down every night. When the face is pressed against a pillow for 6 to 8 hours, skin is folded, collagen is stretched, and blood flow is restricted. That repeated pressure literally trains the face to wrinkle. How to fix it? Your face can start recovering as soon as tonight. Here's what to do. 1. Train yourself to sleep on your back. This is the healthiest position for your spine, lungs, posture, and most importantly, your face. If this helped you, share it with someone you care about.